In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Kroger. We will walk through each click together so you can follow along without feeling rushed or lost. First, open the Kroger website. Use your usual browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, and type Kroger.com into the address bar. When the page loads, you should see the Kroger logo at the top, a search bar for products, and different sections for digital coupons and weekly ads. If the page looks very zoomed in or tiny, that is just your browser view, not the account itself. Take a moment to confirm you are really on Kroger.com and not another store site before moving on. Once the home page is open, tap Sign In. This button is usually at the top right corner of the page, near the cart icon. When you tap it, a sign-in screen or a small sign-in panel appears. You should now see spaces for your email and password, along with a sign-in button and sometimes a link for forgotten passwords. If nothing changes when you tap Sign In, check that the page is fully loaded, then try again slowly. Now, enter your email address. Click in the email field, and you should see a blinking cursor waiting for you to type. Type the same email you used when you first created your Kroger account. Many beginners accidentally enter a work email or an old address and then wonder why it does not match. If your browser suggests an email with autofill, read it carefully before accepting it. Once typed, glance over it to confirm there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, since those can cause Kroger to say the email is not recognized. After that, enter your password. Click in the password field and type your password carefully. Most passwords here are case-sensitive, so capital letters must match exactly. If you see an eye icon inside the password box, you can tap it to briefly show the password in plain text, which helps you catch small typos. Just be sure nobody is looking over your shoulder when you do that. If you get an error later, a common cause is having caps lock turned on by accident. Next, tap Sign In. The button is usually blue or another standout color, just below the password field. When you tap it, the button may gray out for a moment or show a small spinning icon, which means Kroger is checking your details. Do not tap the button repeatedly, because that can sometimes trigger security checks or temporary lockouts. Finally, wait for your account to load. You should see the sign-in box disappear, and the top of the page will now show your name or a greeting like My Account instead of Sign In. Your digital coupons, points, and saved shopping lists are now tied to what you see on screen. You have now successfully signed in to your Kroger account online, so if this helped you get logged in, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple walkthroughs like this.